प्लेटफॉर्मला प्लेटफॉर्म Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Baku Vokzal, 28 May Vokzal or 28 May station. Mr. Bold was here. He started his Azerbaijan journey from here. And if I can see some trains. There is one train. So apparently you can vlog over here, but not in the metro. Look at that. Soviet ski locomotive. There is one very old Soviet train and there is another double-decker, very modern looking train. And here you're constantly reminded that Karabakh is Azerbaijan. You can buy tickets directly at the counter. There is no need for booking it online. You can get tickets over here. It's a small country, less population, not like us, India, where you have to buy 3 months in advance. So you can go and just buy a ticket and get on a train. This is part of the Trans-Caspian Railroad, offshoot of the Trans-Siberian Railroad, the train which goes from St. Petersburg to Beijing and Mongolia. One of the offshoot comes south here to the Caspian Sea. That's why it's known as the Trans-Caspian Railroad. Very historic railroad connecting east and west, part of the Silk Road, part of many civilizations, part of lot of history. Once upon a time, this was the main engine of the Soviet Union. Oil extracted from here was transported in oil tankers to all around the Soviet Union for the industry, for the petroleum industry, for cars, vehicles. Basically, they used Azerbaijan as a cash cow, as the main producer of oil to feed and to fill the coffers of Moscow. But then, you know, that's the reason why when the Soviet Union broke down, they were so fed up with Russia's exploitation, they wanted a de-Russification program and they decided not to be so Russian. So that's why people don't speak that much Russian over here. They have chosen alliances with Turkey and they're fed up with Russia. Yeah, because why not? Because the Soviets have used Azerbaijan for oil. यहाँ पे करेंसी एक्सचेंज भी है स्टेशन में. स्टेशन इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एकदम आलीशान सा वेटिंग एरिया, एयर कंडीशन है, नीचे मॉल है, रेस्टोरेंट्स है और ये सारा सामने बैंक है. 3-4 बैंक है. कैपिटल बैंक, सिगोटा बैंक, अज़ेरिकास बैंक, कुछ टर्किश बैंक्स हैं, कुछ अज़ेरी बैंक्स हैं. तो यहाँ से मैंने अच्छे रेट्स में 1.7 एकदम जो गूगल पे दिखाता है ना रेट, उसी रेट में मिला मुझे. $1 इज़ 1.7 मना, तो उसी रेट में मुझे एक्सचेंज मिल गया. तो मेरे पास अभी काफ़ी कैश आ गया है. अभी मैं चलता हूँ टैक्सी स्टेशन, मतलब बस स्टेशन, जहाँ पे वो निशात की टैक्सी वेट कर रही है.